The etymology of the word geothermal derived from the Greek geos, which means earth, and from thermos, which means heat of the earth. Geothermal energy is a branch of geophysics that studies the thermal phenomena inside the planet and the process required for the industrial exploration of the heat to produce electrical energy and other uses. Thermal energy comes from the heat that is released from the incandescent core of the Earth to the middle of the sun and the surface. The other part of the heat is made up of radioactive decay process in the middle and they also release energy.
Geothermal energy is practically an inexhaustible source of energy, and Mexico is a country that has benefited from many thermal manifestations throughout the national territory. As if that were not enough, there is a volcanic belt that runs from the Pacific Ocean to the Gulf of Mexico. The electrical energy produced by geothermal source is less than 2% of the country's total. Despite the factor that more than 2,361 thermal manifestations.
Mexico ranks sixth in taking advantage of direct uses of geothermal sources. The three most important are United States, Indonesia, and Philippines. However, the theoretical potential that exists in our country to produce electrical energy based of geothermal sources is almost 13 billion megawatts. Putting things in perspective, the installed capacity for the production of electrical energy in the United States in 2015 was a little more than a million megawatts. In Mexico, the total capacity installed in the same year was 16,844 megawatts.
Interesting technologies already exist for exploration, location, and exploitation of the source. One of the most striking is terminal vision, tomography, or thermovision. In OB, this acronym is TVT. This technology uses infrared vision to detect hot source from space satellite, being able to use cameras, planes, helicopters, drones, etc. This technology represents a great opportunity to reduce cost, especially reducing the time required by other technologies, but for exploration.
Geothermal energy in Mexico is so interesting to talk, and it's so very opportunity to Mexico to generate clean energy. For example, eolic. But this type energy need help. For example, Hemex. Hemex is one company Mexican to generate geothermal energy. Is the regulator this type energy, but this company not working alone. This working with CONACYT. CONACYT is one part for the governmental Mexico. And remember, this type of energy is so necessary to change the past energy to new energy.
What is the use that is given to geothermal energy? Geothermal energy is used in the drying of fruits, vegetables, fish, wood, greenhouse development, seed cultivation, reforestation, flower growth, etc. But it also has other applications such as entertainment centers, for example, water parks, spas, and medicinal centers that are great attraction for tourists. The world is currently poised for future change. New and improved technologies often emerge, as well as better financing schemes. Also, cooperation and dissemination of technical knowledge worldwide is becoming easier and more immediate. Combining these factors with the many lessons learned from the past, such as Iceland, will prove to be an incredible idea that will allow countries to be sustainable.